Kani gadega batisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kaseng jong ginungnya cycle ke balatip kum ke cycling Shillong. Ringkat ke jingitrelang bat kaseng Catapult Design Solutions. Kalapentip bahkan saperlong biang ya ke jingikop nya cycle. Ya ke balatip kum ke second green pedal Shillong challenge. Haka katsan Tarik mentau benai Nailar senam arja kanyo. Kabadai ru kasni rakhe kasni lai luat jong kari India. Ya kini ke jingikop on play pat ba do Deputy Commissioner ke East Castles District ba Peter S. Khar. Nama dan yorang hab Fire Brigade Shillong. Bat kinongnya cycle kan hab banyak lang ba kalai lingkot bat on pun kot pat halat smith.
This is a race, a mountain bike endurance race, which will be conducted on 15th of August on our National Day. And this race will take off in morning. It will be flagged by DC East Khasi Hills. It will have a route from Fire Brigade to Upper Shillong, crossing Milliam, and from there to Umtangar and Liling Court, and it will finally culminate in Blacksmith, where we will have the award ceremony depending on the outcome of the race. Now the bigger idea why we are having this race, or why we are having this club, or why this cycling Shillong, and why Catapult is with us, which is a more important aspect, is because we want to promote youth. As one of our members, Ian, is here, he is secretary, he is already studying and he is an active member. We want to promote youth and we want to bring cycling in Shillong in a big way.